In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Notifications over here. Then select App Notifications and use one of those switchers next to one of your apps to block all notifications from them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switchers. If you want to, you can also select any app available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!